a nice, beautiful, sunny day here at our Pennzoil Proving Grounds track. I'm Alex with Hennessey Performance. I'm in a 600LT McLaren, which is ours, and I'm next to one of our 1000 Jeep Trackhawks. Very amazing vehicles, but very different. When you look at this McLaren, it looks like a race car. It's a very track-oriented performance, exotic vehicle. When you look at the Jeep, it looks more like a family vehicle, but the Jeep has a lot of secrets in its sleeve. We're gonna do a video today doing a drag race between this McLaren 600LT versus our 1000 horsepower Jeep Trackhawk. Let's see what happens. I'm really curious to see. I did not use launch control. I got destroyed. So on this one, I'm going to use launch control, and we'll see what the difference is and what the power of launch control on this McLaren really does. Going off of my movement, and so I got the hit and I led the whole race. Okay, now I'll use launch control and I'll go off your movement. Launch mode unavailable. I wonder why. I'm at 18% fuel. You think it's like under 20 you can't do it?
Everything's in track, right?
Yeah.
Try shutting it off for a longer period of time.
Launch mode's still not working. All right, I won't use launch control, and then I'll get the hit. Jeep 1000 is a heck of a performer for a big family SUV, I would say, and the McLaren 600LT is super awesome as well. So stay tuned for more awesome videos. We'll see you soon. Smash the subscribe button, follow us on all platforms, like this video, let us know what else we should shoot, and we'll see you next time.